Hello investors, welcome to Chart Shastra where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 97 of our 100-day price action challenge, and you can see here Nifty finally broke out of this resistance, big resistance line, which is 23,900, and finally the market closed about 24,000. Yes, everything is looking so great, so good. In fact, many breakouts are working. I'm starting deploying my money into the market, but the only thing I'm little bit worried about is the market getting too much extended. I mean, if you can see from this point almost I know the market went all the way up to here, and from that moment you can see here, right? Market was up 2400 points, almost non-stop, 10%, 11% up in last 6 sessions. That is insane. The same thing you can see across the Nifty Junior, Nifty 100, even mid cap. Look at mid cap today, 2.2% up. It is leading today. Small cap 2% up, micro cap 1.5% up. So everything is looking so good. I'm a little bit worried about. Don't get too much excited in this rally. There could be a reversal here or a pullback. There should be a pullback. I strongly feel, because the market can't just move in a single direction. There should definitely be a pullback. Please be careful with your stop losses at this time. And coming to the gold, look at gold. Even from this point onwards, gold was up again 10% in last few days. That is insane rally. Gold is looking very strong. I don't think that gold is those were gone the days where gold would be trading at 80,000 anymore. I don't think that it would be staying between 1 lakh and 80,000 for a very. Please don't expect that gold will go below 80,000 as of now. Coming to the silver, even silver is also acting really well. Let's come to the star of the day, which is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has hit its all-time high today. I guess so. I think Bank Nifty has made its all-time high. Each day it is making its new all-time high today, thanks to the good banking results, especially the most contributor today. In fact, both private bank as well as the uh, public sector banks participated equally. And even not only the private banks, look at the PSU banks. I love the way they are moving up. Even the IT index, everyone thought Infosys had posted a very bad results, but the market has taken it somewhat little bit different. That's what always price is the ultimate. Don't just go with the opinions of the people. When auto is up, everything. I think today the market breadth is looking fantastically well. Look at every single index is up today, and the only thing I'm little bit worried about is we are too much extended as of now. I'm little bit cautious of adding new positions. And again, I'm very strict about my stop losses. Only FMCG is down 1% today, but again, I don't think it is a bit worry. We need to worry much on the FMCG. Telecom is acting, everything is acting fantastically well. Actually, let me just open how the 100 charts are doing as of now. Take a look at Reliance. Reliance needs to close above this 1327. That would be really fantastic. As of now, it is trading in the range. So please be careful. We are approaching this session. Then we might see a reversal here, or at least some kind of pullback. But when it's coming to HDFC Bank, it is making all-time high every single day. That's really fantastic. And even TCS has doing trying to form a bottom here. That's really good as of now. Airtel is looking again very good, very strong. See, it did not even hesitate to come back to this level. So one of the very strong charts, we have identified Airtel much early, somewhere around here itself. Nice. Look at ICICI Bank. There was a big gap up, but again, I think the results were already priced in on the Friday's candle itself. You can see here, right? It was up 4% on that day itself. So that's fantastic results are coming out from private banks. Look at SBI. Yeah, even SBI is also moving up. It is trying to form a reversal. Very strong charts are seeing on after a very long time in the market. And Infosys, everyone thought this would be a very bad result, or market would punish the stock. But again, market is a discount mechanism. It always discounts. Bajaj Finance doing fantastically well. Hindustan Unilever going sideways. I think you can see here, right? It is trying to form a pivot something around here. You can see. I'm just changing the color here. Yes, you can see here, right? A mini pivot forming on the Hindustan Unilever. Then look at ITC chart. As of now, again forming a base here. Then comes LIC. Is LIC trying to reversal? Finally, it is trying to make an attempt, because the market health is so good that it is trying to make a reversal here. L&T. Still needs to recover a lot. The structure doesn't look much interesting as of now. Next comes again the star of all the stocks, which is Kotak Mahindra Bank. This was the pivot breakout, and look at here, very 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 strong. Sun Pharma needs to settle down little bit, needs to settle down. It is taking little bit amount of time. Let's take it time. Even I think HCL Tech had a very very good day today. Probably trying for a reversal out here. It might need some more time for HCL Tech, so let's give it its own time. Maruti is not doing that great as of now. I don't feel much confidence with the Maruti. NTPC still needs to close above this high 370 level. Only then we can think of initiating something. Ultratech Cement, it was a good attempt. It again touched this upper zone here, and the closing was a little bit weaker. But I think cement stocks are doing really well. I'm really excited to see how Sri Cement is doing in this market condition. Axis Bank, you can see here, right? I'm little see it now. This actually looks a bit overextended. Look at on the Axis Bank from this day non-stop for 4 straight sessions. It was up very strong. That clearly reflects. I think we can also extend this line somewhere around here. That's really really very strong strength on the private bank. So they need some break. They need some break. That is for sure. M&M again trying to move up here. Next comes the Bajaj Finserv. I think this is another very very strong chart out here. Just looks like almost Kotak. See, I'm just opening a Kotak for your reference. If you can see that, it almost looks like Kotak, right? Kotak and Bajaj Finserv almost look exactly like a twin mirror image. See, large caps are really doing up well. ONGC doing up really good. Hey, Hindustan Aeronautical again after finally it came out of this little pivot. That's really good here. Power Grid, it again came out of this level. We were expecting this level, right? See, very strong action out there on the large caps. Finally, the market is improving. Maybe the good olden days are coming back. I guess so. Titan, not that interesting chart as of now. Adani Enterprises still needs to close above this level. There is some time. There are much better stocks out there than Adani. DMart is taking its time. That's really important for DMart as of now. I think we have closed this gap. It will be really interesting to watch. Wipro, very weak among the IT as of now because you can now see the recovery in Infosys and HCL Tech, but not on the Wipro. See that itself separates from laggards. ADANIPORTS, nothing interesting here as of now. JSW still very strong chart, but again, not a right entry as per my criteria. Very, very choppy chart. Coal India really doing up well, but Power Grid and NTPC Power Grid looks fantastically well. Asian Paints taking its time. Let's wait. Let's give it some more time. Tata Motors trying to recover. Let it take some more time. Nestle India, very good chart, acting up very, very well. Bajaj Auto also trying to recover here. Good. Adani Power going now. Finally, we have been waiting for these days, right? I think I'm loving Adani Power too. Bharat Electronics going sideways. Zomato still needs to close about 240 level. I think we are coming to the 240 zone very soon. It will be very interesting to watch. Trend finally it has tried to close up this gap. That's really interesting now. I like how the market is becoming well. Look at Indigo, one of the very, very, very strong names out there. That's how. I mean, see, now you have literally, I think, over the last 10 days itself, have gave you plenty of opportunities across the large caps. Yep, and again, there are multiple opportunities which I have posted on my Twitter channel. Please do check out Shastra on Twitter. Look at IOC, it finally broke out of this mini range. See, another very, very good volumes. That's what we need. See, the risk was very minimal here on the large caps. You can go with a huge position size when you're trading with these large cap setups. Varun Beverages is it looks like it needs some more time here. Let's give it some more time. Krasim did not move much here, but it is also trying to reach almost its all-time high very soon. Please focus on this cement sector as of now. Diamonds going sideways as of now, nothing great happening. Tata still not interesting. IRFC still need to form a bottom here. DLF not good. Vedanta finally closed above this 400 level, but again very choppy. Please be careful with the metals. SBI Life, very interesting. Again, another reversal play happening here. Even HDFC Life has taken a little pullback here. Probably the results were out, I guess, on Saturday. So let's wait and see. Let the price digest the results. Pidilite acting very perfectly well, taking a sideways move as of now. Adani Green not there yet. Very weak name. Divis Laboratory. Will it break above this trend line? That will be very interesting to watch. HR Motors, another very strong name in two-wheeler auto. Look at here how it is moving up. Now, any consolidation or a pullback would be perfect to add this stock again. Very strong name. I think this is something I was not very comfortable because very choppy chart. But again, it is a very strong chart, but a bit choppy chart. Geo Finance trying to form a reversal here. Almost looks like it has formed a double bottom here. You can see here, right? This looks like a double bottom and it has broken out here itself. Interesting on Geo Finance. Hindalco, nothing decent as of now. CFC also trying to come above this level. Very interesting. Hyundai, nothing interesting as of now. In the four-wheeler autos are not really that much picking up as of now. Ambuja Cement very strong. The movement from here itself, it has started moving up. See, again, there are multiple opportunities which the market gave us in the last few weeks. I don't know how this continues to be in the coming days also. So let's be a little bit careful from now on because it has too much extended. Tech Mahindra is up 5%. That's really good thing happening on the tech. They are trying for a reversal. Bajaj Holdings, very choppy chart. I won't prefer this name. Sriram Cement, very good, trying to move up, strong name. LDIM, nothing interesting here. Cholamandalam, see, Cholamandalam, very strong name. I love this chart. This was the shakeout happened on the Cholamandalam, and very quickly look at how it has reached its all-time high. The financials, I think probably 1 month ago, I have made a video that is it the right time to go with NBFC or the finance stocks, and now you are seeing the actual result. BPCL very well acting. In fact, IOC was a very good chart today. Bank of Baroda too. I have already mentioned Bank of Baroda from this point here itself. This was the shakeout of the Trump Day, Liberation Day. Then post that you can see here acting very strong. Even Britannia was also doing really well. Now it is taking bit amount of consolidation on the FMCG because these were the stocks which moved much earlier. Godrej Consumer Property having a little pullback, but again, it is perfectly acting. Look at this tightness. I love this. I love this move. Tata Power, it is also trying for a reversal here. So let's just extend this line. That would be very interesting to watch. LODHA again moving up, really good. TVS Motor, nothing interesting as of now because no entry point, although the stock is very strong. GAIL also not much of an entry point here. This was the entry, we have missed it out, but now it is flying high very much. Block going sideways. Indian hotels. See, I love the way it is tightening up here. Probably it might give an another entry. Torrent Pharma almost a flat day today. Pharma is not much participating in this rally. If you can notice that the entire market is moved up by one single group, which is finance stocks. So please be careful with that factor too. Look at again Punjab National Bank. Fantastic reversal setup. Even on a weekly chart, I think this should look really good. Yes, it is almost perfectly at the 200-day moving average. That's really well as of now. Three cement, we can just simply extend this line. This is the minor line. It tried to move out of this line, but interesting. Let's wait for a few more sessions, and I need one little pullback from the market to be more comfortable to take much higher positions, I guess. ABB going sideways, Tata Consumer Product going sideways as of now. REC, nothing interesting as of now. United Spirit going sideways. Adani Energy Solution, it is another good chart of Adani. Adani Power after this Adani Energy Solution. Bajaj Housing Finance, this was a minor entry. Now again trying to form a consolidation here. Apollo hospital stocks are really holding up very well lately. Dr. Reddy's very choppy name, ignore this one. Havells also trying for a reversal here. So let's wait and see. ICICI Lombard going sideways. JSW Energy not looking that good. Even CG Power is also almost up very high in the last few sessions, but not a great setup. Zydos had a big breakdown on the other day. Now it is trying to get out of that trauma. Jindal Steel, you can extend the line here. You can see somewhere around here. See, interesting. Motherson Sumi trying to recover here. Interesting again. Naukar is also trying. Looks like the IT is trying to recover lately. Canara Bank and again closed at 99. Psychological number 100 is the usual classic resistance level. Let's wait and see. Probably I'm expecting such a pullback in the market. Dabur going sideways. See what exactly happening with FMCG. I want to happen those two finance stocks. Only then this move will sustain. Bosch, nothing interesting. I prove not doing that well. Swiggy, just like Zomato, very weak, very weak. Trying to form a bottom here. Let it take some time. Hero Moto Cup, finally, after very long, it came out of this resistance. We can't call this as the bottom sign formation yet, but let's wait and see. IndusInd right now, see, it has trying to close this gap. That's really, really good from IndusInd Bank. So overall, all the charts looks really best, but I feel that market has a little bit overextended. So let's wait for a few more sessions. Let's wait for it to settle down. Till then, please be careful, stick to your stop losses, and happy trading. Thanks a lot for watching. See you tomorrow.